Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Beauty in 2 Minutes. Hey my lovelies, are you enjoying monsoon? This pleasant weather makes everyone happy, and happiness is the best makeup to wear. Let's come spend few minutes with us and know amazing tip to enhance your beauty naturally. Today, we are going to tell you as usual, quick, easy and super affordable beauty tip, that is a natural facial toner that smells amazing. Enjoy and please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Take a small, little, tiny cucumber and make juice of it. Now add equal amount of rose water in it, mix both of them well and refrigerate. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever there is new video upload. Subscription is totally free, my friends. Apply it on your face by cotton pads. Believe me, this toner smells so amazing and make your skin feel fresh all the day. I'm waiting to know your results, so my lovelies, tell us your experience. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.